this is my tomato plants, and I will show you how to take care of it. Now what you can do is, I have put the tomato slices here when the till it was having this much of soil, and then as the stems were growing up, I was adding more soil to it. So gradually keep adding the soils. Start with the containers half filled as you sow the seeds, and then keep adding the soils as the stems grows. So now here you can see, these are my tomato plants, and now what I can do is, these are the non-productive branches which will be taking the nutrient. So what we can do is, we can cut these branches. These are all the false leaves, so we can cut them. Similarly, if you will see, now this branch coming in the axil, now there is already one branch, so we should not put much load on this one. So what we can do is, we can do the pinching of this one, the one which is coming now. So this is how every branch will be healthier and will be having lots of flowers and fruits. So you can always do the pinching, you can always you can simply take a scissors and do it. So this is how you can take care of your tomato plant, and as they will be growing up, I'll be sharing further tips and cares.